Ana, ka huri ki ngā manuhiri e hoa mā o kirikiri roa mihi ana kia taupiri maunga. Wai kato awa, ko tainui waka nau mai, haere mai e hoa mā ki tēnei whakataitai kia kaha. A ki ngā kapa e rua I tēnei ahi, te rangatira te tākaro. A tēnā koutou katoa, ko māua ko teo husband, no tēnei ngā kai whakapāho, ngā autaua o tēnei tukinga. Mihi kawana kia koutou, o tira kia koe pāpā tēnā ro atu koe.
Tēnā koe e moi hau, it's wonderful to share some space with you today, calling this game Hamilton Boys High School, lining up against Hastings, who are the hosts. Proud colours of their kura throughout 2026. Wonderful to have you with us, and thanks again for joining us this Saturday afternoon for more action from Super 8 Rugby. It's Hastings Boys High School from the left, and it's Hamilton Boys from the right.
Ana kua rongo I te wihara, e tohua mai nā kua timata te kemu.
The community rivalry between each of the schools, all of the schools involved in the Super 8, those something to note. Plenty of respect for each other, but also the rivalry is quite intense. Short side play, Sturm, and then out to an unmarked winger on the right-hand side. He goes into score pretty comfortably as well. Carson Hunter into score.
So Hamilton wasn't too sure how coach Cam Morby would have selected his team. E kare kore mā taki hia ana ahuriri I a kirikiri roa I tēnei rā, as we see a maul and a carry from the kai tikape, a Vili Vaka. Vaka placing the ball back and recycling well.
And the try. Was it chocolate? Would have been
Nothing's
cheese.
better.
Could have been cheese. Was he the Milky Bar Kid? Is occurring behind the club rooms there. Lovely little run. Back it comes to Carson Hunter. Angles back in. Good lead-up work from Tommy Foote. Here's the 8. Edwards again. Another powerful carry. See how they chime in. They've got a rhythm to the way they roll in and support each other.
Wave after wave.
15 gone. That raises the flags as well. So, and it's into the hands here of MΑORI at the back. Bit of an advantage being played. Splitting them open. And now with the ball out to the right-hand side. Lovely ball onto Rotorua. Play on. Still Hastings. It's been stolen here. And kicked forward by Hamilton Boys. I think it was Daha. Still Hastings in possession. Needing some support at the moment. It's MΑORI. Kicking in and having a run for it is Ben Ward. The bounce is called for him. And Ben Ward goes into score.
Hands on heads.
No, still in the hands of the Heretatonga men, or young men. Delivered up. Needing some support here. Hamilton boys have been here and done that on the defensive line. There's the big shunting run too from Genesis Taivale. Piro.
Try time.
Taivale's been one of the best as well. Been really impressed by Paya's input. And immediately Hamilton are pressing again. Long range efforts needed. Here's Pana Papaya once again. Finds himself with the football in front of the posts. And now the turnover picked off was an intercept, wasn't it? And comes Sturm. Senses a chance down the right edge. Now Hastings under some pressure yet again. And will they be able to hold out? No, they won't.
Aroha mai o mai. We're normally better than this, but it's been a long season.
Honestly, you can't. Sometimes it's hard to pick, you know, because we haven't been calling these guys very much. If at all, have you called Hamilton this year?
Cole.
And proximity of the touch judges.
Oh, well, the coaches and managers don't want to get on detention, do they?
No, they certainly do not.
Writing lines or picking chewing gum off from under the desks?
You'd hope not. No, look at this guy go on the far side. He'll put the chip over the top too. Pressure on at the back. This bounce important. And
Hunter.
He's come away with it. Hunter, once again, Carson Hunter will everything turn to gold for Carson Hunter. Classy work from Carson Hunter. Second try of the afternoon. This time off the cow horns and the flags stay down. And here's your eight. Sione Kauwhanonga on the far side of the field. Hastings still have possession, but the defence from Hamilton really untroubled. Those beautiful hands there to keep possession. We might get another look at it. That was really picked up off the grass. It was fabulous. Taliki MΑΟRI. Here's the left foot kick. Going to get back here to the fullback, who is there, Ben Ward. He says, well, let's go down the other end. And this bounce is going to be important. So will the chase be as well. That ball's still alive. Here's the toe through. And the bounce is beautiful. And Jackson Butherway is in to score.
Heo ano. Hoki mai ana te referee. Te tihi Hamene. I think that that clash or the conflict between the Tuere trying to go for the boys, a nice run here, drawn and pass and split open. This is the Toparua Po Wainga.
These young guys from Hastings have been trying hard.
Giving Hamilton an opportunity early in the second half
to feed the scrum here. Let's see what Hamilton decide to do with it. They've got plenty of power in that engine room. Cut out ball out on the far side of the field, and the inside ball is classy as well. This guy has just had a whale of a time, Hunter, and in the end too, just too strong and too disciplined, controls the football and the momentum of his squad very well. He knows what's at his disposal, works it wide when he feels it appropriate. Territorial battle have been very important here, as we see once again Hastings with the scrum feed. Now they break from the back. It's Kauwhanonga who has the ball, needs some support as they muscle up around him. They work it wide. This man scored just before the break as well. Good surging run towards the chalk. The referee is down low, checking out who has the football. It's still with Hastings, and working it across to the right-hand side as Rotorua dives for the corner. Parents and Whānau is the kick, looking to add the extra 2 points. Clever work on the left edge. 21 in the mix, Carlos Nordstrom, right at the front of the line out. And stolen and straight through the middle. Referee's having a look as he signalled yes, and it is. It's the number 3, Mitchell Matangi. Thanks again to Bailey's, Nativa, Anchor. They've been all great sponsors on Whakaata Māori to bring all the action. There's the kick from wide out.
Down a player as well, just come onto the field also. 10 minutes remaining here of the last round of robin clash. As the top of the table, Kirikiriroa take on the 8th.
This is good practice.
School.
This is good practice for the final. are controlling this football. As you can see here, they are well in control at the moment, Hamilton Boys High School. Referee's having a decent look. Let's see if we can, 51-21. Again, take nothing away from Hastings. There's always a risk that this scoreline could blow out. I think they've kept it pretty contained. And on the far side of the field and coming back inside is Deha. He's had a solid game, the 11 here for Hastings. Whipping the ball back. This is Mapusanga. And on now to the 16, he comes careering towards the line. Replacements on, it's Pailate. Fullback. And alive in a dive too for Genesis Taivale.
Well, there's been no one more deserving.
Given the big razzmatazz call, the crowd goes silent. The young man steps in knowing that 2 points is locked and loaded here on Whakaata Māori. He's a picture of concentration as he steps in, strikes it, and is it going to go? Yes, it is! Straight through the middle, 2 more points. They're a long way from where they want to be. Once again, Taivale has been so good this afternoon. So they whip it across as well. Defence solid. The tackler there has been just outstanding. Carson Hunter with a couple of beautiful tries in his own right. Hastings in possession, working it across the field onto the far side, trying to get a break there for one of our faves. It's Jimione Ratuere. He's been superb. But it's back into the hands of the lads from Kirikiriroa, and they might get last roll of the dice. Hamish McCarthy's in the mix. But a little knock on there, and the referee can't be too far away from calling it quits here. 51-28. Wonderful to have you with us here this afternoon and to witness these 2 proud schools going head to head. In the end, Hamilton went in as favourites, and that has been fulfilled with a good victory over Hastings Boys.